So welcome back to the channel. Here is a quick update regarding the labs in the arcade program. As you have already aware, and I have made awareness video regarding some of the labs which were not working properly in the arcade games, right? The multiple projects one and the one with which the week 4 labs are there like trivia games. So here is a quick update from the arcade team. They have made it public also. So if you open the Cloud Skills Boost platform, you can clearly see that they are facing issues related to project ID in some of the labs. Okay, now the problem is that if you are doing any labs and you are unable to see the project ID, whether it's related to AI agents, if you are doing any partner lab also, some of the conversational agents are facing issue. If you are doing any search app, any like what can I say? Here is one more lab. Let me just tell you that some labs which require partner credentials because partner event is also running and arcade event is also running. So here for arcade we are talking that whatever labs which require selection of multiple project ID or even one project ID, sometimes it may fail. So kindly avoid if you are facing this issue. Wait for it to get resolved. Wait for our update video and then only do. In simple words, if you have to understand that any lab which requires selecting project ID like from project ID 1 to 2 or even for just completing any AI agents lab, they are facing issue. So just avoid the lab. So this was the quick informative video. For more, just subscribe the channel and thank you. Have a great day.